Hey everyone, welcome back to The Examined, your go-to channel for all things fashion, beauty, wellness, and lifestyle. In today's video, we're diving into the world of press-on nails and sharing some game-changing TikTok hacks to make them last longer. But beware, we'll also be discussing a concerning trend that you should absolutely avoid for the health of your nails. You won't want to miss this, so keep watching. Let's face it, regular salon visits for manicures can be both time-consuming and expensive. That's where press-on nails come in as a fantastic alternative. Not only are they more affordable, but they also come in a wide variety of styles to suit everyone's preferences. Whether you're into classic French tips, trendy nail art, or even 3D embellishments, there's a press-on nail kit out there for you. However, a common issue with press-ons is their short wear time. They often pop off too easily, which can be frustrating. But don't worry, we've got you covered with some game-changing hacks. TikTok creators have been sharing their secrets for making press-on nails last longer, and we've compiled the best tips for you. First, use both sticky tabs and glue for a stronger hold. The tabs create a base for the glue to adhere to, resulting in a more secure application. Next, file your nails before applying the press-ons. This creates tiny grooves for the glue to grip onto, preventing the nails from popping off prematurely. Just remember to wipe off any nail dust to avoid air bubbles. Another crucial step is to clean your nails with rubbing alcohol before application. This sanitizes and dehydrates the nail surface, allowing for better adhesion. For an even smoother application, use a nail buffer in addition to filing. This will create an ideal surface for the press-ons to stick to. Lastly, don't forget about your cuticles. Gently push them back to ensure the press-ons fit properly and don't lift at the edges. We recommend using tools like the Glamnetic adhesive tabs, mini nail files, buffers, and cuticle pushers for the best results. While TikTok is a great source for nail hacks, there's one viral trend that you should steer clear of. Some users have been using gel bonding adhesive and curing their press-on nails under UV lamps. This might seem like a good idea for a long-lasting mani, but it can actually be harmful to your nails. The issue lies in the fact that most pre-designed press-ons aren't clear, so the UV light can't fully cure the gel underneath. Partially cured gel can cause allergic reactions and trap moisture, potentially leading to mold growth under your nails. Yikes! If you do want to use gel with press-ons, only do so with clear extensions and a proper 48W lamp with reflective bottoms. Improper use can result in severe itching, pain, and even nail damage. So there you have it, some incredible hacks to extend the life of your press-on mani, and a crucial warning about a risky viral trend. Remember, for the health and safety of your nails, stick to the tips we shared and avoid gel curing any press-ons that aren't complete.